Now, in a historic attempt to become the first plane to fly across the world powered solely by solar energy, experimental Swiss Solar Impulse 2 landed in Ahmedabad late last night after taking off from Abu Dhabi. The single-seater solar-powered plane had taken off from Abu Dhabi on a round-the-world trip aimed at promoting clean technology in the aviation sector. The aircraft has over 17,000 solar cells that supply the plane with renewable energy.
As you can see behind me, the Solar Impulse 2, which has just landed in Ahmedabad, and you can see those huge wingspans, 72 meters wide. This is as big as a Boeing would have, but the main body of the aircraft is very light, around 2,300 kgs, which is as heavy as an ordinary car. It's a beautiful machine which has been made over the years of research by the Swiss researchers and the pilots. They have, in fact, they spoke to media and this sometime back, and they clearly said they were excited and elated that the second stage of this mission has been completed. The second stage where this aircraft has arrived in Ahmedabad. It will be here for a couple of days before it sets off for Varanasi for the third stage before it ends its Indian tour. But clearly, as you can see, this beautiful machine, this big, huge machine, it would look from its wings, but essentially a very light kind of a body. It has around 2,300 kgs aircraft touching down here. It had started off from Abu Dhabi, then went on to Muscat, and then the next stop Ahmedabad. And from here it will proceed to Varanasi before it completes its tour of India and then moves out of this country. But the biggest challenge lies ahead for the pilots, that is crossing Pacific and Atlantic. In fact, we spoke to the pilots. They're saying that they're looking up to the challenge. It will be a non-stop 4 to 5 days of flying for the pilots, but they are claiming that they are prepared for it. They are looking forward to this big challenge. So clearly, for the pilots, years and years of research and which has gone into it, finally they elated that the mission has taken off and its second stage has been completed with a touchdown in Ahmedabad. From the Ahmedabad airport, with camera person Natwar Parmar, Rohit Bhan for NDTV.